Hello guys, review ZTE Blade A36, this version 4GB memory and 64GB storage. Okay, we have 6.75 inch display, 90Hz display, refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, face unlock in and octa-core chipset. Open box, look completion, we have device in the green color. Okay, and completion. In box we have protecting back cover, documentary, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Good completion. On the back side double camera and LED, on the front side display, power button, warm buttons on the right side, left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card slot for memory, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have Android 15 and MyOS version 15. Okay, open Geekbench and talk about system information. We have CPU Unisoc T7200 and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Okay, close this, look under the benchmark results. Antutu score, close this, PUBG Mobile box on the medium graphic level on this device, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.